Hi everyone, today I'm just going to give you a really short tutorial on how to set up a file share that you can access across your network on your Windows PC or on a Mac, although I won't go through the steps for accessing the Android folders on a Mac. First things first, you're going to want to install the Google Play Store on your Amazon device if you are using an Amazon device. If not, if it's just a bog standard Android device with the Google Play Store, then you're good to go already. I'll put a link up here to show you where to go to get the Play Store on Amazon devices, and we'll jump straight in. First things first, you're going to want to go into the Play Store, and once you're in here you are going to want to search for CX File Explorer, and you're going to want to install that. Once you've installed that and opened it, then you just need to go and accept the access requests, and you will see a few different options. I'm not going to go through any of these. All we're really interested in is getting access to our device on our network. So if you press access from network, and if you uncheck random password, you can leave port as it is and set a password to what you can remember. So I'll just set that as 123456 for the time being, and when you hit start service, what it'll do is give you an FTP address, a username and the password that you've selected. So just leave that up and running, and we'll just jump onto the PC to do the next steps. Right, we're now on the PC. This is a Windows 11 device, but this works on 7 and 8 and 10, and I believe on previous versions to that. But I've not been able to test those. So Windows 11 I'm going to show you today. So first thing you want to do is you want to add a network location, and that will come up with a prompt which talks you through it. So you want to choose a custom network location, and then it asks you for an internet address. So you just put in the web address that has been displayed on the device already. So you're getting this off the screen, and then the port number at the end, and finish it off with a /. Click next, and you don't want to log on anonymously. You want to uncheck that, and it'll ask for the username. So put in the username from what's shown on the screen on your device, which at this point is PC, and you can choose a name for it. So I'm just going to call this Android Tablet. And click next, then click finish. So now what you will see when you choose to see the contents of your PC is your network location, which is Android Tablet in my case. So if I go into that, I can easily access the SD card. So for example here I've put an MP3 on there. I'll just try copy that onto my desktop, see what happens, and that's done. So it's super quick, super easy. If you want to turn it off, you can just stop the service on your Android device. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy my video, smash the like button below, and please do hit subscribe. It does help me make more content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.